Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be cutting down a dead tree that's been dead for some time now. I figured since it's small and thin, I can work on it myself. And because it's dead, most of it's dry and comes apart pretty easily. And comment down below how tall you think this tree is. I later put a trellis in this area, and at the end of the video, I'll try to find a picture to show you. This tree was pretty small, so I was able to finish this project with only a hand saw. And when cutting down this tree, I first assessed it and the area I was working with. I didn't have much to assess because I knew just by looking at the tree that it seemed safe enough to go ahead and start the process of cutting it down. And once I got started, I realized further down the trunk of the tree still had life left on the bottom section with green foliage. When cutting down a tree, make sure all people are outside of the work area, and pets should be outside of the work area as well. And when I started to break this particular tree apart, I first used my hands to pull down the branches far enough to step on, causing the branch to crack and break off. And I was able to do this step multiple times. But further down the branch, it got stronger because there was life left within the tree, causing it to become harder to break, so I used a handsaw. The safety gear I used to cut a tree down of this size and nature required gloves and safety glasses. So depending on the size and nature of any tree would determine the proper tools needed to protect yourself and others and the surrounding area. And Home Depot has a special site that gives specific information on cutting down trees. And here's all the dead branches collected. And for a long time I felt as though this tree was going to be a difficult project. I gotta say it was easier than I thought. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.